Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza pops. Start by preparing dough, sauce, cheese, and fillings before assembly. Roll small dough circles about 3-5 inches wide, add 2 tablespoons of sauce, shredded cheese, and fillings, then fold and seal edges tightly. Brush with egg wash for a golden finish and bake until puffed and lightly browned. Let cool briefly, then serve warm with dipping sauce and enjoy. Use pepperoni and mozzarella for a classic flavor, or try sausage and roasted peppers for more depth. For a vegetarian option, use spinach, mushrooms, and ricotta. Keep fillings relatively dry to avoid soggy pockets. Pat wet ingredients with a paper towel. Try different cheeses like provolone or sharp cheddar for contrast. For a crispy crust finish, brush edges with olive oil and sprinkle a pinch of sea salt before baking. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for storing pizza pops, keeping sauce and cheese from making a mess on the go. They stack well and seal tightly, which makes them handy after baking or for freezer storage. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Chill sealed pizza pops briefly to help seals hold during baking, and crimp edges with a fork. Freeze raw pops on a tray, then transfer to a bag to bake from frozen for convenience. Bake straight from frozen and add a few extra minutes to baking time, monitoring for golden color. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and reheat in oven carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.